If you take a look at the data collection I'm going to do on the board up here, I've called it trial 0 through 7. You might have to go further than 7 depending on how many times you guys flipped. But I called trial 0 22 because 22, there's all of us are starting to go. After one trial, how many of you took exactly one trial until you saw heads? Let's see hands on this one. So you got heads on the first flip. 1, 2, 3. Are you voting, Katie? Why are you guys chill?
Flipped one. You got a head.
Is that what you flipped once? You got heads?
No.
You did not. Okay, so
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. 2. How many took 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many took 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 3. Love it. 6. 7. Anybody above 7? Okay, good, good, good. Do it again. Yes, this is good. Why wow? Why wow? Why wow? Why wow?
Well, 7 people only took one.
Oh, who didn't vote? Hang on.
Oh.
Oh, I can't do that, can I? Yes, I can. I can do some of this.
How many do we have there?
We're off by a couple.
Oh, 3 people.
Who didn't
Oh,
vote?
somebody didn't.
Oh, you guys! I couldn't see you. Holy hell! Frankie, you're both on 1. Thank you. I'm sorry.
That's okay, but that's still 21.
Who's holding out? Who am I counting? I could be counting wrong too.
Why am I holding out?
No, I said who's holding out.
Yeah, I know.
These are guilty. No, I just, there should be 22 total. That's okay. That's all right. We'll see if I get it right this next
We're
time.
missing somebody.
I could have counted wrong too. We done our experiment already? How many of you took ones to get heads?
Hold on.
Same thing. Repeat it. We're gonna keep this going. The problem with this experiment is it's over very quickly, and we have to reset again each time. So we're back to the beginning. We're flipping until we get heads again. We're going to do it a number of times. What I'm going to do is I'm going to average our results. I'm going to average our results as we go because, well, this is really cool actually. What just happened here in the first set of trials. Even after you use this for the one person that's missing, this is cool to me. This is very cool, and I'll be curious to see if it holds up as we go on. We'll develop some hypotheses as we go. Anybody? One flip and we were done. 1 and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. All right. How about 2? Took us 2 to get heads. Tails, heads. 1, 2, 3. 3 there. 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. Went to 4. 5. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7. Anybody more than 7? Who the hell's not voting? Who did I not? Who did I vote?
I think you missed your vote.
Wait, say that again.
I think you missed your vote.
I missed my vote. Brooke, where were you?
5.
You were 5.
It was me.
God, she's so retarded.
No, I thought we were just counting as 1.
Oh, I
That's
got
why
it. So, Katie, so you didn't do it yet. Don't worry about it. Do it on the next one. Here, we'll do this. We'll adjust it. Here, we'll adjust it.
I voted last time. I should know this.
Don't worry. We'll adjust the starting value based on who remembers the vote. We'll make the initial value match. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. You got 22 coins? Don't get upset. It's not a big deal.
Yes.
Everybody got a coin? Everybody got a coin.
He's on.
Do it again. Keep track again.
I knew it was.
Messing up my data. It's okay. Take it personal. Not a little.
Yeah, it's pretty. That's karma comes up and give me the bully.
While you guys are doing that, I'm going to get a little forgettable.
I'm tapping you.
You know what? No, we'll do the TI. We'll do the TI.
I need a vote.
Oh my Jesus.
It's all good. It's all good. It's not worth getting upset about. It's just mathematics. It's mathematics. I counted right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There's 2.
So
No, I
you're
got
going, do what?
No, I got it. Messing up.
I don't. I cover it all the time. All right, we got it? How many took exactly 1? You flipped heads on the first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There, make sure I'm on my toes with this. 2. Head, tails, then heads. Okay, 3. 3. Tails, tails, heads. 4. Was that one more, Tony?
4.
No, you're in 4. Okay,
Yeah.
4. Took 4 flips.
Finally, she gets it.
No, I get it.
5
I get
flips.
it all the time, dude.
6. Got one over there. Good. 7. And that brings us to 22, so we're happy. All right, good. There we go. All right, do it again. I want patterns. I want to see patterns. Yes. Flip, catch, and count. Flip, catch. Make sure you're flipping. That's like a pancake.
I know.
If you need to, just throw it across the room, let it bounce off the wall and hit the ground. That's fairly random. Please.
I have a question. Why you don't go past 7? Like,
I haven't had to yet.
Oh, you haven't had to.
I will add columns if I need to, or add rows if I need to. Catherine, that's a very good question. Why haven't I gone past 7? The mathematical answer is the chance of, Gesundheit, the chance of me having to go past 7 is about 1 in 64.
Oh.
So every once in a blue moon, I should have to go past 7, but it hasn't happened yet. So that's why I'm keeping a running total down here too. It'll happen eventually. It just took us 9. See, Catherine, it just took Aaron 9 times, so we will add a 9th column. Perfect. So it does happen every once in a while. It just hasn't happened in a while until this point. And remember I said it took about 1 in 64? We've gotten about 64 trials under our belt now. 22, 22, and 22 is 66. On average, it popped. I mean, it's mathematics. It's kind of wonderful, actually. Cool? All right. How about 1 trial? But you see how interesting, even though Aaron, keep your hands up, friends, even though Aaron took 9 this time around, look at the lion's share of the class. They all got it on 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. How about 2? So 2 flips, we were done. Beautiful. How about 3 flips and we were done? 1, 2. How about 4? 5? And then I'm guessing Aaron's the only one left, right? So I gotta throw some of these. Let me see. Insert some columns. Hang on. Insert. Insert.
Yeah, because I got
Extra. These are all gonna be zeros. All right. Except Aaron, you're
except
at
for Aaron's
1. Boom. And I gotta change this sum now. Hang on. Sum to C12. Drag that over. There we go. Beautiful. Got everybody accounted for? I'm assuming there were no 7s and 8s because otherwise I counted wrong.
What, you got a 12 and,
I got 12.
I thought it was 9.
Yeah, right here. There was one person that had 9 flips.
Oh, okay.
See, it took us to the 9th trial. So it took Erin 9 trials. That's her. That's her, the number 1 right there. 1 person. All right, do it again. Do it again. I want to see some numbers fall out of you. I want to see averages. I need results. Yeah.
I'm going to Vegas.
You're going to Vegas. Be careful. You blow all your luck right here, Tom.
Heads every time.
Actually, I love that. Heads every time. We've done it what? 4 times now, right? 5 times now. 1 in 32. For you.
Well, then crafts is your game, man.
We'll analyze that in a couple weeks, actually. I'll have you guys playing crafts in class for Starbucks. We'll see how much you like crafts when we're done with that. All right, who was out at 1? Who was out at 1? 1, 2. Look at the difference. Look at this. Look around. These are the folks that were out at 1. Look at the difference between last trial to this trial. 6. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
Who was out in 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. Who was out in 3? Tails, tails, heads? 6. Very interesting. Who was out in 4? Just the 1. 5. 6. 7. All right, no 6s. 2 7s. 8. 9. Above 9. Who did I count wrong? I'm missing 2 this time. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Who was out in 1? Who was out on the first flip? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, count them right. Out in 2? 1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
Who am I missing? There's our 5?
1, 2, 3.
Oh! I didn't see Galena. I'm sorry. There's 5. Okay. Who was out in 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom. There it is. That's where I screwed up. Okay. Thank you, friends. Do it again! Yes! Love this data now. It's freaking awesome.
Oh, that's fine.
Super.
All I'm doing over here is I'm keeping track of averages as we go. Why would I look at the averages versus any one particular trial, like trial 1, trial 2? Actually, that shouldn't be called trial 1. This is actually trial 1. I don't know why the hell that says trial 1. Watch how smart Excel can be. This is pretty slick, actually. You see how I just typed trial 1, trial 2, trial 3?
Sure.
And it updates.
Isn't that slick? You can be pretty smart sometimes. Done? Who was out of 1? Heads, first flip. Catherine's still going. This is awesome. We got 3. I love this. All over the place. Who was out of 2? Whoa!
Whoa!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Holy crap. Out of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's everybody, yeah?
Oh, wow.
All right. Love it. Do it again.
Bam!
Uh-huh. Is this data linear with the number of trials? In other words, as each trial goes up by 1, are we losing a fixed number of people? In other words, if it were linear, we should be losing roughly the same number of people each time. Does this look linear? No. Hell no, it doesn't. Looks like where's the lion's share of the losing happening?
Between 1 and 2.
Oh, okay, hang on. Ask that question a little bit later. Ask that question later. I'm sorry. Too early for that question. Too early for that question. Too early for that. 1. We were done at first. First flip, we were out. First flip, heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Whoops.
Whoa.
Enter. There we go. Second flip, heads. So tails, heads. 1, 2, 5. Beautiful. Third flip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth flip. Shelby, Kelly. Fifth. Yeah, I'm on 5. Fifth flip. Brooke. Sixth. Catherine.
Oh, wait.
No, sorry. Damn, it's that damn door.
It's the door,
It
yeah.
is. 7. Oh, we're done.
22.
Oh, there we go. 22. Thank you, Tony. Quite kind, quite kind. Let's do a few more times. A few more times. Then we'll get our stuff into our TIs. We can take a look at our results. In a proper experiment, I should have you guys all flipping exactly the same way. Experiment. Okay, it's all good. If you spin it, for example, if you allow the coin to hit the desk and start spinning, you actually get heads and tails at a different rate than if you flip it.
Yes, finally.
Which is interesting. It's because if you look at a penny, the amount of metal on the heads versus the tail side is different. And if you allow it to come to rest under its own weight, inertia kicks in. If you flip it and then stop it and put it on your hand, inertia never kicks in. It doesn't have a chance to. Pretty slick. We proved that in 244. From the first couple days of class, I had you guys spinning pennies, and it's about a 43% chance of heads. If you take the penny and spin it and let it fall on a flat surface, it's 43% chance. So it's not 50-50, it's 43-57. Pretty slick. Pretty slick. So nobody do that.
Because you said there's more on
More
the
metal
heads.
on the head side, which means it keeps trying to spin. Well, as it's spinning, which means the tail side gives
That's gonna
up
be more.
and lands flat down.
Huh.
So the head's is sticking up. Oh, excuse me, I said that backwards. The head side continues to spin and spins itself down more frequently than the tail side because it's heavier. Yeah. Now they changed the penny in 2006, I believe. The design's different now. These are all pre-2006 pennies. I'd be curious to see how it stacks up now. And I have so much data from pre-2006, I don't want to start it again. So
That's nice.
I used my own, it was 2007, sorry.
that's okay as long as you're spinning it. That only occurs if you spin it and let it fall. If you're flipping, it doesn't matter at all. It doesn't matter one bit. Here we go. One flip and you're out. Heads on the first flip. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Love it. Second flip. Tails, then heads. 4. Tails, tails, heads. 3. 4 trials. Tails, 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 heads. Sorry. I'll stop doing that. 5 trials. 6. Oops, not 1. 1. Sorry. 7. Oh, we're done. Beautiful. Do it again.
Yeah. Nice.
We all start. Count it.
Oh, I got it.
I love it. In 244 we couldn't because the damn thing stopped. Go ahead. Yeah. Traps it up.
Oh, I just pitched penny.
Not a problem. Exactly. Not a problem. That's tilted right. We're okay. Heads on the first flip. 12. Okay. I love the variance in that first flip. That just makes me so happy. On the second flip. 4. On the third. 4th. 5th. 6th. 7th. Ooh. 8th. 9. There we go. Is there a 10th?
Uh-oh.
Who's out there? Who did I count? Let's do it again. Heads on the first flip. Heads on the first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There it was. My bad. That should be 13. Thanks, friends. Let's do one more try. I think by then we're going to get a pretty good idea.
But it's a heads.
We may have to can these first 2 trials. We might go back and redo the first 2 trials with 22.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I want to keep the base case the same, and it's bothering me statistically that we're not doing that. We might do it 3 more trials. Sorry to be a bastard. All right, 1 flip and we got heads. 11. Okay.
Eh.
Nay. 2. 2, and then we got heads. So tails, heads.
Squared.
4. 3. 5. 6. 4. Excuse me. 4. 4 trials. Tails, 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 heads. I'll stop doing that. 1.
Sean.
5. And that's it.
Oh.
Okay, let's make me happy. Let's go back and redo the first 2 trials with 22 because it's bothering the hell out of me. I'm sorry. It shouldn't because it really isn't that big of a deal, but it bothers the hell out of me. So let's redo these 2. Yeah. Well, no skin off our back anyway.
I wrote it down, so I didn't see it.
Take them out. Bothering the hell out of me, Kelly. I don't know why it's bothering me. I want 22 across the top. I want that to be the one
You just made
consistent.
her redo the first 2.
What's that?
You should just make her
Ah,
redo the
we're all doing it. Flip the cards.
Because it was.
Cool. Who was out at 1? Out at 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Out at 2. Out at 2. 7. Out at 3. Mike's still going. Awesome.
No,
Out
I
of
was out of 1.
You're out of 1. Excellent. Out of 4. I'm sorry. Jeremiah, Tom, and Tony.
Oh, you're at 23.
Out of 5.
You're at 26.
Oh. What the hell did I count wrong? Oh, there. Nothing. Nothing. I had the leftover data from before.
Yeah.
So one more time, friends, and I'll clear this out while we're waiting. There we go. Save this bad boy. Save this. Let's see. I've asked you guys if you want to go with. Oh, we can't. Never mind. Never remember the trials.
Whose penny is that one? I don't know. Whose penny's over there? See it right there?
There's pennies over there.
Stupid gravity. Who's out at 1? 9. 2. Out of 2. Out of 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. There we go. There we have them. Okay, beautiful. Now, what I want to do is, next time, we're out of time now, unfortunately. Oh, not unfortunately. Unfortunately, we'll just analyze it next time. I want to look at these values here and see if there's any kind of a predictable pattern in them. We've agreed, I think it's not linear. I think we can rule out linear, yes? I think that's a pretty much fair assessment. We can't, it doesn't look linear. If it was linear, we'd be seeing a constant drop. So it's just as not linear as the arm was linear. We'll come back and analyze that next time, yes? So for next time, you got a bunch of stuff to keep you busy. Email me if you get stuck. Tom, go. We're going to go X with number of flips it took, and then Y is going to be these values here. So actually, X, Y. And I'll bring these back on Wednesday. You don't have to worry about it right now. Yeah, we'll put it in the TI and run it. Oh yeah, if you don't mind, return to the pennies. Thank you.
And
Email me if you get stuck with anything, huh? It looks like it turns off, doesn't it?
All right, bye.
Good. Let's talk about that. I know, and I love the curiosity. I'm so happy. The question is, would it make sense for it to go back up? Suppose it went from 9 to 10. Would it make sense for it to continue to go back up? That's a question I have for you. Think about it. 48 hours. Think about it. 46 hours. Oh my goodness! Well, thank you for returning it. I would have never known that. Thank you, Cassie. I appreciate that. We're all right next to it. I don't lose it. Excellent. We'll see you guys in a bit. Email me if you get questions. Hopefully we have answers.
Turn it off.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that.